Hey everyone, Marielou here, and my mission is to encourage and empower you to create digital content. In this video, I'm going to give you some technical tips on how to take photos of yourself with your phone. If you follow me on Instagram, a lot of the photos that are on there are photos that I've taken of myself. Even if I'm holding a camera, I'm taking it of myself with another camera. Sometimes the camera that I'm holding is actually helping me take the photo from a different camera. It's all very, very nerdy. Needless to say, I am very experienced in taking photos of myself, and most of those photos are taken on my phone. Currently, I have an iPhone XS Max, but I have done this with multiple other phones, and a lot of these technical tips will translate no matter which phone you're using. The first thing you're going to need to do is find a way to set up your phone so you're hands-free, or at least get some distance between you and the phone. The easiest way to do this is with a tripod and a phone mount, but if you don't have that, then find some way to stack some books and boxes and pillows and get that phone standing up so you don't have to hold it. The key thing here is to be able to get some distance between you and the phone. You don't have to necessarily go far depending on the kind of photo that you want, but you want to be able to be as hands-free as possible. Okay? But make sure you put your phone on something that's sturdy. I'm not responsible for your phone falling because you didn't secure it, okay? All right, just get a mount. Get a tripod and a mount. I'll put some links in the description. The first thing you can do to take a photo of yourself is to use the timer. This is already built into your camera app on your phone. You can usually do a 3-second or a 10-second timer. You typically will find a symbol that looks like this, which will activate it. Then you can choose the amount of time that you have. Then you will press the shutter, and then you will run into a place and pose. This method does require a lot of running back and forth, so it's not my favorite, but if you don't have any other accessories, you can still take a photo of yourself. The second method is to use your headphones. Now, this isn't completely hands-free depending on the kind of headphones that you have, but if you plug in your headphones on an iPhone, you can use the plus and minus sign to trigger your photos. All you have to do is make sure your hand is out of the photo, and you can click, 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 and take a photo. The third method is to use an outside app. I discovered an app called WhistleCam that allows you to trigger your camera by whistling. It's a little annoying, but it works, and it's kind of fun. People think you're whistling at them, and you're like, no, not you. I'm talking about me. I'm cute. The next method is to record a video and take a screenshot. Set up your camera and your scene the way that you like, press record on a video, and then stand in front of it and hold. And then move again. Once you get back to your camera roll, you can scroll through that video and find the shot that you want. My final suggestion is to use a remote shutter. I'll put a link in the bio to a very cost-effective one that connects through Bluetooth. I love this one. It's small, it's discreet. You can use it with a timer or without, that's up to you. But if you put it on a timer, then you can hide it in your pocket, or you can just hide your hand behind you and nobody will see it. If you have an Apple Watch and an iPhone, you can actually use that as a remote shutter for your iPhone. Once you get that connected, you can actually see what the camera sees on your watch and make sure everything is framed beautifully. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, please let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. If you end up using any of these tips, please tag me in your photos on Instagram. I would love to see them. And until next time, I am sending you all the confidence and creative energy that you need to achieve your goals. I give you permission to go out there and create. I can't wait to see what you do. See you guys next time.